Okay, so we're going to complete the bass line now. Now, as you see from the notation, the first pattern that we've recorded is played twice. So we're going to copy, and to copy you're clicking on the second icon with the two rectangles, and then we move the playhead to bar 3, and we click in that space and click paste the clipboard. Then we do the same with the second part we recorded, select it, press copy, and then move the playhead to the next bar and click paste. So now we should have that first C pattern twice. Okay, and then we want to now record the next part, so we go to F. And then it goes back to C. Then G, F, C. So you can record it one bit at a time, and I'm going to do that. So I'm going to record F first. So that's F done. And then we have C again. So I'm going to copy, as I did before, the C parts. Okay, so now I'll show you what I've just done. F. Okay, so then bar 9, I'm now going to do the last 4 bars. Cool, I made a mistake there, so I'm going to go into it and have a look. So we've got G, B, that should be D. B, F, A, C, A, and then C. Okay, so that's all fine. Let's have a last listen to it.